got my blues, and that's enough to call. I hear that wind cry low, blowing through my skin. Dust on this old highway, memories sinking in. My feet been walking silence, but the road still moans. Only friend I got's this heart and these weary bones. Moonlight on my shoulder, shadows in my head. He whispered lies so tender. Now my heart plays dead. I strum this six-string sorrow, I blow that harp so true. Every note I play, girl, it's all about you. Rolling dust and echoes, trailing down my back. A heart like a rusted metal, running off the track. But I got strings and reeds to sing my pain away. In this mid-tempo delta night, I fight another day. I don't need no preacher, no whiskey for my sin, just the rhythm of that fingerprint and breath drawn from within. You took your love and vanished, left me here to dry. Now I chase you in my melody under southern sky. Rolling dust and echoes, trailing down my back. A heart like a rusted metal, running on harp and this guitar still holding my hand. Long as I can breathe, I'll keep that sorrow flowing. With the dust and the echoes and the pain I'm knowing. Crept out the back door, left the screen still swinging. Told me you'd be true, but I heard that devil singing. Now my porch lights flickering, and your scent still stays. But baby, I don't chase no man who walks away. Boots full of gravel, heart full of flame. I play this guitar like I'm calling your name, but the sound it bears and the notes fall dry. Just me, this heart, and a blood